Surf's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. The surf is up in the form of mist. Surfmist, Surfmist mat. Oh, I got it around the wrong way. Surfmist, this is your normal generic Surfmist Colorbond, looking amazing in the satin finish that it is. It's beautiful, one of, if not the most popular colour in Queensland, if not Australia. Surfmist, it's the off-white colour that you see on the bottom of all those cold room panel insulated deck roofing things. It's also on almost every white roof, because they don't have white roofs. Well, they're getting close, they've got a new one out there, but that's a different video. And then you've got the white matte, the Surfmist matte, sorry. The two different colours, they look great. Let's put them together. You can see the difference between Surfmist and Surfmist matte. Now, what look are you going for at your place? Are you going for a light, clean lined house? This one? If you're going for an architecturally designed, something with a bit more texture to it, that you're willing to put a little bit more into, that's it there. Now, I love Surfmist matte. Sorry that this one's a little bit dirty, but Surfmist matte, the beauty, when you put the two of these on a standing seam wall on cladding, the difference between the two of them is this one here will show a bit shinier, and when the sun's on it, you see a bit more reflection. This one here just dulls out and just looks like a big wall of velvet. It is just beautiful. Now, I realize that it's not everyone's cup of tea, and if your architect is out there designing something that it wants to be for them, then they'll know what they're trying to deliver for you. So if they say, no, let's not use matte, let's use normal Surfmist, it's because they've got a design in mind. Here you go, that's Surfmist matte. I don't know what else to talk about with the two of them, but what I do know is that in Point Break, Keanu Reeves could run, and if he had some Surfmist matte on his surfboard, he would have certainly, you know, out-surfed Bodie for sure. I don't know if that's true or not, but I have a tendency to just keep talking.
Thank you.